I heard you got nothing to do this weekend.
I'm so sad.
And it's a rainy day. Chances are you're home saying, what should I do? We have answers. If you want to get the best coverage and the best entertainment under the big top, you've come to the right place. Luzia, Cirque Du Soleil, is wowing audiences on Randall's Islands with their best acrobatic and artistic scenes. You can catch the show through April 27th, Ben Aaron.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm going with my kids.
Yeah. Should we give the folks at home a sneak peek?
Do you think they deserve it?
No, but we're going to give it to them anyway. Right here in the New York Living Studio, we have Sarah Togni joining us this morning. It's wonderful to see you. You just told us. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. I'm so enamored with you. I forgot to give you this. I'll hold it for you.
I felt weird about
just yell really loud. You're gonna be fine.
This crazy lady's talking to me and no one can hear me.
TV's weird.
Yeah, maybe there's a microphone hidden, but I didn't.
We were marveling. You did your own makeup.
I did. I did my own makeup, and I love it. It's such a meditation moment when I do it.
Every day.
Yeah.
Not when you just perform and just go out like this all the time.
Oh, people would look at me weirdly,
Nope.
you know.
No, they won't.
I love New York.
What can audiences expect when they go to Randall's Island?
You'll see an amazing show. We're there until April 26th. And, you know, it's an incredible show inspired by the Mexican culture. The name itself, it's the fusion between two words, two Spanish words, luz and lluvia, which are
rain and light.
Yes.
Thank you.
And our two elements, two elements that are strongly present in our show and are brought to life by incredible acrobats and an amazing live band.
And I'm holding her microphone because what you're doing defies physics. And so we couldn't put a mic on her because it probably
she would have centrifugal force.
It would have hit someone.
This is the Cyr Wheel, right?
This is a Cyr Wheel, yes.
Why'd you choose this?
I choose this because it's a great discipline that can mix dance and acrobatics together. So it's a beautiful way for me to express my art.
I want to see it.
I do too.
Let's do it.
Enough talking from us, but we'll be back.
Okay.
With more intense questions.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
Take it away.
gosh. All right, I'm in. I'm seeing the show.
We're going to let you catch your breath for 2 seconds. Please, Beckett. Yeah, hi. I know what we're doing on Saturday night. I want to check your hands for magnets because I feel like...
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Very feminine. They're pretty.
Incredible.
They look plenty feminine to me.
Thank you.
How long have you... What is the correct... What is this apparatus?
This is a Cyr Wheel.
A Cyr Wheel.
Yeah.
It's the name of the inventor of this apparatus, which is Daniel Cyr.
Okay.
And wheel, because it's a wheel at the end.
It is, in fact, a wheel. So you were born into a family that did circuses. Circuses, yeah?
Circus.
So were you like doing this in the womb and all that business?
Yeah.
Probably, right?
Yeah, probably. My mom was juggling while she was having me and creating me.
What was her specialty?
She was a juggler.
She was a juggler.
She was a juggler. And my father is an acrobat.
My goodness, that's
so
crazy.
really the whole family.
Wow. How did you land on this of all the things that you could have done?
Well, I was a trapeze artist before, but this allowed me to reach my dream because my dream was to be on Cirque Du Soleil. So yeah, I'm very grateful for this apparatus.
Amazing. It's usually the natural order to start in trapeze and then go to Cyr, as I did as well.
Yeah, I think I saw you at the circus school.
I mean, if you're not sold by watching that performance, I don't know what's wrong with you. You're absolutely spectacular.
Yeah.
That was
Thank
just
you.
defying
Thank you
gravity,
so much.
seriously.
Strength and beauty.
Yeah.
My goodness.
And
thank
fabulous
you so much.
makeup.
And fabulous makeup. Good talk. Sarah, thank you again so much. You at home, get your tickets to see Cirque du Soleil's Luzia by going to cirquedusoleil.com. They are performing under the big top on Randall's Island through April 27th.